Welcome to Digital Photography Open Source. I'm Eric Westland and I've been instructing in technology education for 2 decades now. Taking snapshots is convenient and easier than ever, yet 95% of today's photographers rely totally on their camera to make all of the decisions when the shutter is pressed. This class will empower you with the techniques the other 5% know, tools that can be utilized using almost any modern camera. You own the camera already, why not learn the easy concepts to get the most out of it? We'll begin by orienting you about features all cameras possess. We'll follow that up with lessons that give you the chance to take your own photographs utilizing those same features. Throughout the course, you'll have the opportunity to adapt lessons to meet the real needs in your instruction. In addition to teaching you how to improve your photography, we'll cover how to enhance the photos you've already taken with LightZone, a free open source software package that does everything the expensive programs do, plus it runs on Macs, Windows, and Linux. Did I mention it's free? Even if you find photography and technology intimidating, this class is designed and developed with all user levels in mind. Lessons are individualized and techniques taught via screencasts I have created to take you through each step one mouse click at a time. Before long, you'll not only be taking better and more interesting photos, but you'll also be ready to share these same skills with your students. So, I hope you'll be able to join me in class to improve your photography. Please use this link to watch a sample screencast from the actual course, and feel free to contact me if you have any questions about digital photography open source.